I think that the Montana brand has been definitely the leader in the fifth wheel market. It's the brand that most everybody knows or benchmarks their success to. And I think as a leader in that marketplace, it really didn't surprise me that they said, hey, let's do something neat, new, unique with developing the Super Solar unit. And what are the ways that we're going to need to do it so it works right?
We've learned over the years that we have trusted vendors that we know that are very good suppliers to us in our industry. And those people are also usually the ones that we will work with on special projects where we're trying to come up with something that's new and maybe exclusive to Keystone.
Keystone, in my opinion, is kind of a front runner on the engineering side, and so they're always trying to look to push the envelope a little bit. You know, as the technologies come in with a traditional lead acid battery or something like that, you don't have the capability that you do with the lithium. So they came to us and they said, listen, you're our inverter guy and our solar guy. What can we do to put together something that will actually run down a production line? We were able to come up with a box that actually will just go in a production line.
At Battleborn Batteries, we kind of proved the market with lithium, and people were doing a lot of DIY installs over the years, and we've learned a lot from that. You know, we learned a lot from our customers, and we're able to bring that expertise and knowledge now to the factory line so we can install a battery pack on board, because the market for lithium has now gone past early adopters, and it's still a lot of do-it-yourself installers out there too, but some people just want to buy a rig and they want to know everything works. So it's a little bit of anxiety involved if you buy a brand new trailer or a 5-year-old trailer or a 2-year-old trailer, and then you're like, you know what, I'm going to buy this trailer, I'm going to rip out the whole entire power system and put in lithium. It's possible to do. But if you buy it from Keystone, it comes from the factory with the factory warranty. It's designed by our engineers and their engineers. So you have the experts involved to do it right, and you just walk away with the product, and guess what? You just flip the switch and it works properly.
Mostly one of the things here at Keystone, we like to look at things kind of fundamentally different. You know, a lot of RV companies are always looking for that next great floor plan, that next spin on a color package. We're really able to deep dive into the systems, to some of the engineering behind it, collaborate with vendors, and come up with great solutions to help make everybody's experience better.
Basically just through the collaborative effort and just everyone understanding what the final goal here is that we're trying to improve camping, we're trying to make it more fun for our customer, easier for our customer to enjoy. And so with that as the overriding thought, we tend to be able to work on these types of projects, and we get a lot of cooperation from our suppliers when we approach it that way.
You can see over time that those partnerships have made this project a success.